I'm Alexander Danje, and I'm here together with
Karin Bergdahl.
And we're here to introduce our heart-to-heart circle.
Yes.
The art is to practice relating with presence, staying attuned to what's alive, tense, could come alive from the level of the felt sense from the body, with the body. And to do this, we use the sentence stem, I notice that.
Yes. I notice that. Let's give an example.
Yes. Starting simple, we can notice something we perceive through our senses. And I notice your blue, beautiful eyes.
I notice a tingling sensation in my chest.
I notice the room behind you while I see your face.
I notice your hand movements.
I notice your smile and how my attention focuses on your lips.
I notice how you smile and I smile.
And it isn't anything more complicated than that.